Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram could not load result problem or Instagram search feed not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to apps. Again go to manage apps. Search Instagram application. Go to Instagram application. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. Check your internet or mobile data connection is stable. Step 4. Restart your device. Open your Instagram application. Tap on search icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram could not load result or Instagram search feed not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.